Hi everyone, my name is Faheem Ahmed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I am uploading my first video and I am going to show you how you can change your photo background color in Photoshop with using pen tool. So without waste of any time, let's start it. So guys, first of all open your Photoshop and go to the file. Open, select this image and open. Guys, I already download these images from the Google. If you want, you can take your own image in your computer. So guys, now I take zoom tool. Enough, I think. Then I take pen tool to start cutting. And now I am start cutting from here. See, like this. You can zoom in or out as you like. So guys, once it's finished, just press Ctrl 0 to full preview and press Ctrl Enter and press Ctrl Shift I. See the guys, background is selected. After the selection, go to the select, modify, take feather. For smooth edges, I will go with 1. Then hit OK. Then unlock the background. Double click on the background here. Just OK. Now it's unlocked background. Now you can delete the background. Just press delete. See the guys, background is finished. Now we will open the background. First press Ctrl D to remove the selection. Like this. Go to the file, press open, select background, press open. So guys, I will use this background. Now go to the image file, select image, but first we need to take move tool. Just select image and drag onto the background like this. And make some adjustment. Press Ctrl T, make bigger like this. Just hit enter. I think here is okay. So now I will add some shadow to looks natural. Go to the layer, layer style, shadow. Now one new window will appear on your screen. I just check on the drop shadow, it's already checked. Drag on the right, opacity, it's enough. I think we need to make some blur. Now is fine, and just hit on OK. See the guys, now it's finished. That's it guys. If you have enjoyed this video, so please like, share and subscribe, because if I upload new video you will get notification. Thanks for watching guys.